EURUSD game plan for Wednesday's FOMC. Today I'm going to share how I'm trading EURUSD as we head into Wednesday's FOMC. We'll discuss key levels to watch and possible scenarios following Wednesday's volatility that could lead to a favorable opportunity. EURUSD has been a tough currency pair to trade lately, as it moves sideways above the 1.0760 support. We've discussed the recent fakeout above 1.0930 a lot in the VIP group. Argentina's Milei devalues Peso by 54% in first batch of shock measures. Argentina devalued the peso by 54%, overhauled its crawling peg and announced massive spending cuts to eliminate its primary fiscal deficit next year as the first steps in President Javier Milei's shock therapy program. The newly inaugurated administration weakened the official exchange rate to 800 pesos per dollar, Economy Minister Luis Caputo said in a televised address after the close of local markets on Tuesday. It was 366.5 per dollar before the address. The central bank will henceforth target a monthly devaluation of 2%. Selected price indexes, November 2023. The following table sets out the key percent changes in monthly and annual prices. We compare November 2023 with October 2023 for the monthly percent change, and November 2023 with November 2022 for the annual percent change. The flow measure of rents captures rental price changes only for dwellings that have a new tenancy started in the reference month. The flow measure tends to be more volatile than the stock measure, which shows rental price changes across the whole rental population, including renters currently in tenancies. Tankan outline, December 2023 number of sample enterprises memo, average of predicted exchange rates of all enterprises for overall businesses supply and demand conditions, inventories, and prices, manufacturing, domestic supply and demand conditions for products and services software, R&D, and fixed investment excluding land purchasing expenses employment conditions, all industries, financial position, all industries, lending attitude of financial institutions, all industries. Waiting for the 8th and final FOMC meeting of 2023. The federal funds rate target was last increased in July, and a likely announcement tomorrow to leave the rate unchanged at 5.25/5.50% will extend past a half year the cresting point. In more monetary policy cycles than not, the interval between a final rate increase and the first cut of an ensuing cycle of rate reductions has not exceeded a half year by much. Despite repeated rhetorical efforts by Fed officials to squelch speculation about a near-term rate cut, investors continue to chomp at that bit. Moreover, December meetings of the FOMC tend to attract high anticipations, since staff forecasts are updated then and in light of numerous times when market-moving signals occurred in that month. Here's everything the Fed is expected to do Wednesday. What is likely to occur when the Fed session wraps up Wednesday is a policy turn away from aggressive rate hikes and toward plans for what happens next. The Fed will update its projections on economic growth, inflation and unemployment. Chair Jerome Powell also will deliver his usual post-meeting news conference. Traders in the Fed funds futures space are pricing rate decreases to start in May 2024 and continue through the year. Strategists and economists on Wall Street see a more cautious approach. Thank you.